Okay.
Hi, dear customers. This is Casey from Guangzhou QQ Company. Do you want to buy some waterproof zipper for making the fashion and the high quality garment or different bag? Various bags such as the carabin bag, lady bag, trolley bag. If yes, you are welcome to contact us. See, we have the waterproof zipper with the PU fill. This is the PU A quality, and this is the PUB quality. You can see this is more smooth. When you touch it, you feel it touch the baby skin. It's very smooth, very good. And this is not smooth the same as this one. So this is A quality PU, and this is B quality PU, and this is a TPU. So you can see the difference. This is the TPU. See all this TPU. We have the size from number 3, number 5, number 7, number 8, number 10 for your choosing. And this is we say the color waterproof zipper. So first we made the zipper with the yellow color, and we put the transparent fill on the surface. We also have another way is we made the fill, the PU fill with color already. So this is also very nice, very beautiful. Another model is with the leather on the surface, and we have a more model for your choosing. So you can see this is the application. Customer make it to be garment, bag, or tent, or the shoes, even the shoes. Okay, and you can see we have a PVC, TPU, PU, normal quality, and Korea quality. Korea quality, we say the A quality. And for PVC, we sell them to sell. Because for PVC, it's a easy go out for the fill, for the waterproof fill. So normally we don't sell. And you can see we have many fashion for your choosing. This is for nylon. This is metal and plastic with different leather lighting. And we can see from here also, see the waterproof zipper with the vacuum plating chain in the middle, and also different tape, different shape, even with this shining light. So if you want to get more details about our waterproof zipper, or you want to get it catalog from our company about this bag accessory catalog, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.